The path to success, the journey of hard work, patience, and belief. Success in life is not defined by luck or privilege. It is built through determination, persistence, and an unshakable belief in oneself. Every great achiever, every legend, and every person who has reached the pinnacle of success has faced challenges, failures, and moments of doubt. But what sets them apart is their refusal to give up. Life will test you. There will be days when nothing seems to work, when doors shut in your face, and when the weight of failure feels unbearable. You will face rejection, criticism, and obstacles that seem impossible to overcome. But in those moments, you have a choice. You can either let the struggles break you or use them to build a stronger, wiser, and more determined version of yourself. Success is not about having the best resources or the perfect circumstances. It's about having the right mindset. It's about waking up every day with the hunger to improve, the courage to take risks, and the discipline to keep moving forward even when progress feels slow. Those who succeed are not always the most talented or the luckiest. They are the ones who refuse to quit when things get tough. Every failure is a lesson, every setback is a stepping stone, and every delay is preparing you for something greater. Trust the process, embrace the struggles, and keep working relentlessly toward your goals. The road to success is not meant to be easy, but it is meant to be worth it. One day, you will look back at all the challenges you faced, all the nights you worked tirelessly, and all the sacrifices you made, and you will realize that every struggle was shaping you into the person you were meant to become. So, no matter where you are in life right now, keep pushing forward. Believe in yourself when no one else does. Work harder than you ever thought possible. Your success story is waiting to be written. Make sure you write one that inspires the world.